Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Poco phone. Friends, you want to reset your phone Wi-Fi setting. So friends, how to reset Wi-Fi setting today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to reset your phone Wi-Fi setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Poco phone device. Friends, we will click on phone connection and sharing option. After on connection sharing, friends, you can see MI share, cast setting, printing setting. Friends, you can see airplane mode. Friends, you want to on your Poco phone airplane mode, so you can on and off from here. Friends, you can see private DNS setting while display data usage. Friends, you want to check data usage, you can check from here. Friends, we'll click on reset option. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi reset setting. We will tap here to reset Wi-Fi setting. Friends, after 10 seconds and guys 5 seconds, setting will reset. And friends, now you can use your Wi-Fi setting. Friends, you can see all network will forget automatic and guys you cannot use. But first friends, we will on Wi-Fi setting. Refresh. After refresh, which network guys you want to connect guys, enter password, and friends now you can connect easily and you can use it friends. As you can see, Wi-Fi network has connected and I can use. And friends, I can share this Wi-Fi also. Friends, you can see tap to share option. So then I can share from here. So like that, we can reset the Wi-Fi setting on Poco phone device guys. So I hope friends you understood how to reset Wi-Fi setting, connection setting friends, reset option, Wi-Fi setting we can reset from here guys. So bye bye guys. We will meet on next video. Thanks for watching the video guys.